Welcome to Di Kayangan at Section 13 Shah. This is an end-lot double-storey house with a land area of 33 by 80. It has 5 plus 1 rooms and 5 bathrooms. The build-up is about 3,500 square feet, spacious build-up. This house is located in the heart of Shah, just 5 minutes drive to AEON Mall and Lotus Supermarket. And the best part is, the LRT Line 3 is just 5 minutes away from this house. This house has been extensively renovated. Whatever you see on this tour are included. The front and back of this house has been extended as well, and every room comes with a balcony. This house is in excellent condition and is ready to move in whenever you're ready. Isn't this house stunning? Give me a call and I look forward to show you this beautiful house.